part 2 of the headlight restoration. Once again, this Marcus with Green Solutions, commercial cleaning. I'm back with part 2 of the headlight restoration process. Do y'all guys remember how oxidized this headlight was? Now look at it. Nice. I polished it. This is one of the services that I provide with my mobile detailing service, headlight restoration. That right there just saved the client probably $200 or more, because she wanted to replace her headlights and I restored it for her. And that's what it's all about, guys.